Hey guys, I'm showing you this Fanver handballs for exercise and physical therapy. Comes in 2 pack, adjustable wrist strap to prevent any falling. Can be used for kids, elderly and adults. So when you feel really tired with your fingers, you can use these. And these are like the stress ball, comes in the whole pack. You can see this is a gift like a nail cutter. I will explain that later on. And these are the balls, so this spiky ball, so that you can get the massage on the top of it. So 2 pieces for both hands. And this is like a training grip spike, so it's not easy to fall with the wristband, so it's better. And exercise your fingers to avoid finger stiffness. So like when you are like more on the laptop keyboard or doing any other work where your fingers are tired, you can use this to release the stress. It's pretty much nice. And this they provide additional gift is a keychain. And this is also a nail cutter, bottle opener and the nail grinder. So it's pretty much multi-use thing with this keychain that you can use. So very nice exercise balls.